Dear students, accounting theory will continue with the next unit 2 approaches to the formation of accounting theory. Approaches to the formation of accounting theory. Various accounting terms includes, but they have failed to given a current meaning because of different assumptions, methodology, and uses. For the formulation of accounting theory, there are maybe different approaches to the formulation of accounting theory. In deduct two parts. First one is a traditional approach, another one is a modern approach, mainly classified into two categories from approaches. One is a traditional approach, another one is a modern approach. According to American Accounting Association, significant theory is a provide a predictive and phenomena, and when expansion of your said to conform of a theory, when is unaccepted result of they have considered to nominous with inventory requires and meditation of the theory and consumption of a new theory with including all those theories regarding of approaches to accounting theory. Approaches to accounting theory mainly classified into two categories. One is a traditional approach, another one is a modern approach. Traditional approach mainly classified into two categories. One is a non-theoretical, another one is a theoretical concept. Non-theoretical concept mainly classified into two categories. One is a programmatic approach, another one is a authorization approach. And theoretically approach mainly classified into six categories. First one is a inductive approach, second one is a deductive approach, third one is a ethical approach, fourth one is a economical approach, and sociological approach, and elective approach. And the next concept is modern approach, mainly classified into five categories. First one is a event approach, second one is a decision model approach, third one is a behavioral approach, and fourth one is a predictive approach, and fifth one is a information economic approach. These concepts is all those concepts including in approaches to accounting theory. It is a very important for a 15 marks question for your some examination. Okay, today concept is traditional approach. A traditional approach mainly classified into two types. One is a theoretically approach, another one is a non-theoretically approach. First one is a non-theoretically approach. Non-theoretically approach mainly classified into two categories. One is a programmatic approach, another one is a authorization approach. First one is, it is the very important from programmatic approach. Programmatic approach, it means the approach is attempts to provide practices, solutions to the problems of accounting theory. It has a unity approach. The aims of those approaches are to be construction theory, which we including in conformity with the real world of the practices to the accounting theory, which are based on approaches to accounting theory on the basis of the programmatic theory. And next concept is advantages of the programmatic theory. It is mainly advantages of the four categories. One is it helps for realizing the objectives. Objectives, it means it is a phenomena of the formulation of the accounting theory with regarding all those activities with the theories of programmatic approaches to the accounting theory. Next one, second one, programmatic approach. It is a helpful in developing the new methods. It is a depend upon the criteria for the accounting theory. It is the consuming the methods of the accounting theory to develop the new methodology to including with the programmatic theory. And third one, it is the principle developed with the help of the programmatic approach, given the responsibility if they subsequent become a gap. Gap, it means generally accepted accounting principle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು consider. It is based on the principles and to rules and techniques, and it means it is a regarding of a rules and regulations on the behalf of the gap ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ it may be includes in a gap. And next fourth one, personal basis is overcome under those approaches to the phenomena of the accounting theory. And next one, it is a very important disadvantages of programmatic theory. First one is there is a no basic certain for determining the unity of idea. It is a recording of no ideas from the basic authority of the accounting theory. It is a based on a programmatic. It is a based on a programmatic with the including the activities of a criteria and the gap and the analysis and the swap. It means it is a considering on the basis of the programmatic. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಆಗಿರೋದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಯಾವುದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And next one, it is the disadvantage. It may be useful management but not be useful to shareholders and lenders. It is based on the programmatic approach and borrowing through the lenders irtada. It means it is not a shareholders to the lenders with the regarding on behalf of the approaches to the accounting theory, to the formation of accounting theory, and it is the programmatic concept. And next one, authorization approach. It is the very important for the 2 marks question. What do you mean by authorization approach? It is mainly used by professional organization and government. These approach are consisting and issuing for the revaluation and regulation of the accounting practices is called as authorization approach. Authorization approach, it means it is a consisting of professional. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಆ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿಯನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 marks question. Advantages of authorization of approach. First one, it means it is a conformity in accounting principles and through the out of the nation. It is the advantages. And second one, it avoids the gap between theory and practices. It means it is a regarding of a gap generally accepted accounting principles through the accounting theory and accounting practices in between to the work of authorization approach. And disadvantages of authorization approach is a rise in it is a approaches. It is a rise in it is a approach. It is the value of the raises in the high level through the authorization. And next one, it does not provide a new methods of accounting. It is a regarding of the accounting theory only based on the programmatic approach. We can including in the new methodology. Authorization approach we cannot new methods issuing in the accounting theory. Okay, it is the very important from the programmatic and authorization approach. It is based on non-theoretically approach. And next one concept is theoretically approach. Theoretically approach, first one, inductive approach. Inductive approach, it is a short with examining observation and it is accounting practices. These who are approaches given a more importance to deriving and generalized and contain the principles of accounting from the details and observations and measurement of the financial information of the business enterprises through the enterprises of the inductive approach. Advantages of inductive approach. First one, it is approach not furnished by the objectives. It is the very important through the objectives concepts from the theoretically approach and inductive approach. Second one, it helps to investigators to make any observation through the observation including all those activities. And third one, it helps to a variety of the generalizations and principles that are the formulated of the inductive approach. And disadvantages of the inductive approach. First one, the investigators are likely to be informed by the studying and a relationship are among all those accounting data with including all those activities will not considering from a inductive approach. And second one, financially data any deformed from one form to another form so that it is criticized and deficit in the drawings and meaningful organizations with and principles through the it is also disadvantages of non-deductive approach. And third one, under changing the conditions these approaches is not too suitable. It is not suitable for the disadvantages to the approaches. And if logical education is essential for developing new theory approaches is also disadvantages of inductive approach. And next concept is deductive approach. Deductive approach, this approach is based on obligations. It means that this approach is established that the objectives of accounting is the primary task and devisation of principles and procedures for regarding consisting of these activities with including in all to the regarding of deductive approach. Advantages of deductive approach. Advantages is a number of more than 7 advantages through the deductive approach. First one is this theory provides from a framework for the development of new ideas and procedures with including all those activities with the phenomena of the new ideas. And second one, it helps the making from a choice among the authentic procedures for the approaches to the account holder. And third one, it helps to realizing the different objectives and different that it is shareholders, creditors and managers both are the including with all through the advantages of deductive approach. And fourth one, it is the best approach to provide the assumption of the current data and accurate data through the approaches to the deductive approach. And fifth one, it helps for the customization and construction of a theory. It is the based on the theory of the deductive approach. Next one, it provides the framework in development of ideas and new procedures through the procedures of it is a new ideas through the phenomena of the accounting theory. And next one, it helps to whether to use a current and cost or a value cost information in economic decisions. It is the very important advantages of the deductive approach. And disadvantages of deductive approach. First one is sometimes calculation may be wrong if any of the postulations and objectives then the concerned location will be wrong. It is the based on the calculation with the part of the decision theory and a deductive approach through the based on the phenomena by the mistake of the calculation area. And next one, it is difficult to drive and workable principles. We can understand the theory of the phenomena. It is the very difficulty through the understanding with the including all those principles and rules and regulations of the deductive approach. We can easily solution through the practices of accounting theory. And third one, ethical approach. Ethical approach. The ethical approach to accounting theory and places emphasis on the concepts of justice and the principles and furnishes it is in approaches to the regarding of ethical approach. Advantages of ethical approach. It helps for equal treatment of all practices and judicial trust and furnishes helps in construction of accounting theory. Accounting theory with the regarding of accounting data will be a part and unabsorbed system. The financial statement presents true and fair practices to the business holders. The mainly 4 concepts advantages of the ethical approach and disadvantages mainly 2 points applicable in disadvantages. First one is this approach is a phase to provide a sound basis for the development of accounting principles and evaluation of exempted principle. And second one, equitable treatment is not possible to all practices. It is the very important concept. And the next concept is economic approach. These economic approaches on concept of economic welfare, this approach is a emphasis and connecting to the behavioral and microeconomic, not a macroeconomic, only from microeconomic it is based on the economical approaches. First one, advantages of economic approach. It is conducted the behavioral of microeconomics and indicator that the approaches to the environmental, it is based on, it is not applicable to a macroeconomic. And second one, it gives a more importance of general economic welfare. Welfare, it means it is a consisting regarding of the welfare, social welfare, economic welfare. Economic welfare will not consider from a accounting theory. And next one, it helps for the information of accounting standards. Accounting standards and the generally accepted accounting principles and standards. It is a board of the American Accounting Association with including all those. And next one, disadvantage. It is not a operational approach. Only one disadvantage. It is not a operationally approaches to regarding of a accounting theory. Okay, is it clear? Today we class. Next we will continue social approach, okay, and elective approach and modern approaches of accounting theory. Okay, thank you.